Well, folks, I killed the RC lawnmower today after, let's see, 5 years now. So, yeah, the frame bent, cracked, bolts came out, tire went in, the whole thing screwed. I broke a motor mount down in there. Everything went to hell all at once. So, I'm trying to decide what to do to revive the old girl here. I'm not going to do it out of aluminum. I bent the frame in 5 different places. It's toast. It doesn't look it, but it's never going to work again. So, I'm actually considering building it out of 2x4s temporary. Because right now aluminum and steel cost a fortune. I could fix this frame, I guess, cut some sections. I am just not gonna even try and attempt it though right now. Because she's pretty effed up. There's shit, nothing running true anymore. I had to bend it, put it, like hook it to something, and drag it with a golf cart and stuff to fix this. So, anyways, down the road, but I'm considering making a wood frame as a temporary support structure here. It could be interesting. Let's see what happens.